Hey Tuck followers, Keith here. We're fast approaching the first anniversary of our YouTube channel. For the past year, we've been creating videos to help answer your questions about mattresses, pillows, and other sleep products, using in-depth tests with real sleepers to deliver unbiased, honest opinions. We aim to give you the best, most comprehensive information, but did you know that we do more than just review products? At Tuck.com, we examine every aspect of sleep. Our experts provide insights on everything that impacts your sleep, from insomnia to folding a fitted sheet to coffee naps and everything in between. So, as we look ahead, we're asking you, our followers, what would you like to see? Don't be shy. Leave us a comment with your sleep questions or topics you'd like investigated. We are dedicated to delivering engaging, quality content that helps you get a better night's sleep, and we can't do it without your input. We'll collect your comments and address them, so subscribe to our channel to stay connected. Your question could turn into the next video we launch. We can't wait to hear from you. Sleep well, everyone.